In this discussion, you can see how to use text as a HTML format in brief. In case you missed previous video related image field, please check, link is given in description. So whenever you want to add the beautification of text, like here if you want to add as a bold or as a italic or as a topic wise, you have to add. So here the simple text will not support in Odoo, but one more data type Odoo is given as a HTML format, so it will give a much beautification field, and user can add multiple GUI effects, like they can do like bold, italic, underscore and much more. So now we will go to PyCharm, and here we will add one field as a school description. Then after fields dot, here we have to use HTML, that's it. And as a label name we will add string attribute. After that we have to copy this field name and going here. Now we will add that field name in form view, so you can remember this is text data type, as you can see here, similar as a text area in HTML. So what is the difference between these two? You can see from GUI end. We must have to first restart the service and upgrade the module. After that we have to move to browser and refresh the page. So you can see here the address as a simple text area, but this one you can see description as a same as a text area, but you can see here there are a lot of activities. You can see here bold, italic, underline, and you can also pass the fonts, colors, the font color, background color. Then after you can add also topic wise, the 1 2 3 and this one like center, everything is here. You can also add here one table 1, something like this. And once you will save here, you can see the same format you can see here. So whenever you have to add more beautification data, you can use this HTML format. One more thing is Odoo also allows this simple text area to convert like this HTML format using widget. Here you have to simply go to in school_view.xml file and find this field, and here we have to use widget equal to HTML only. After that we have to restart the service and upgrade the module, and when you go to browser and refresh the page, now once I will refresh the page, it will be like this one. You can see here. So right now we will use as a widget, and that widget will convert to like this in simple text field. But if you don't want to convert simple text field into widget, but directly you can also use HTML field. Now we will go to Python side, and here we will use some more attributes like read only equal to true. So no need to upgrade the module, only restart the service, refresh the page, and this one it won't be editable. You can see here I can't edit, so user can't edit this one, using read only equal to true from Python side, and when you use required equal to true and refresh the service, after refresh the page, it is mandatory to have some content, otherwise Odoo will not allow. But here in this case it will allow. So whenever you want to add some description in HTML format, so you have to override create and write method. We will see later like how to override default methods of Odoo in later videos. Right now we will focus on field level. So you can see here the required field is not working. One more command is default. Here you can pass any content like as a paragraph or something like text. Then after, restart the service and refresh the page, and when you create, so you can see here by default it will visible here. Also you can do one more thing is add HTML command. So right now I'm using B as a bold, so particular this paragraph, this content will be displayed in bold color. Refresh the page, and if you go here you can see JAL display as a bold, and when you enter the cursor you can also see this is a bold color, and after you will move out of that content character you can see it's not a bold one. So you can also add some specific HTML format using default, it is also possible. One more attribute is help, and this one is work same as tooltip of HTML. Restart the service and go to browser, refresh the page, and when I will hover to this label name you can see here it will display as a tooltip. So now we will move these two attributes, and now we will change from XML side. Restart the service and refresh the page. So tooltip, and by default the content will be removed. Okay, and now going to here we'll remove this widget and focus on this school underscore description field. Here you can use invisible equal to 1, hide from GUI side so user can't see that field name. So you are changing anything in XML side, so you have to upgrade the module. Refresh the page, and here you can see you cannot see here that field name because we already added one invisible equal to 1. Now we will use read only equal to 1. Upgrade the module. This one is like user won't be add anything in this field, but it will display in GUI side. You can see this is a description and you can't edit anything, and that HTML format also invisible. If you want to change or override this label name, it is also possible using string. School description. After that, restart the service and upgrade the module. Go to browser, refresh the module. You can see here school description, that field name is override, and you can also add here. That's it for now. In case you have any doubt, please comment below and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.